Hi, my name is Faisal, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can install Node.js on your PC. You need to go to this website nodejs.org. You can search on Google Node.js. After that, you need to click on Get Node.js. After that, you need to click on Windows and x64-bit. You can download MSI installer. You need to double click on it. After that, next, this, next, and next, and you need to install it. That you need to just wait, and it will start copying the files and install it. It may take a little bit of time. Just wait. I may just fast forward the video. No, it just worked without fast forwarding. And you need to click on finish. And I guess Node.js is installed. You can click on see, here is Node.js.